Here's my Z-Fold Stippled Roses Congratulations card. I'm using the Softly Stippled DSP from the Celebration catalog that you can earn for free, and the opaque faceted gems as well. You can also earn these for free. And the Stippled Roses bundle is from the mini catalog, and you can find it on page 64. And the paper is in the Celebration catalog on page 8, and the opaque gems are here as well. So I've started with a 8.5 by 5.5 piece of thick basic white cardstock, and I've scored it at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4. So basically this is half of the 4 1/4, and I'm just going to fold that forward like so. Then I have some of the Designer Series paper, and this is the Wild Wheat color. So this is my Wild Wheat card. I haven't used Wild Wheat yet. It's honestly not one of my favorite colors, but I think it is actually very striking with the Calypso Coral. So I decided to try it out and I liked it. So I'm going to use that as well. So this piece of DSP that I put on is 4 by 5 1/4. And this piece right here is 2 by 5 1/4. And I've placed it right on the edge here. And this piece is 2 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to place this right on the edge here and line this up with the back piece so that it looks like all one piece here. And now I've used the largest die in the new Thoughtful Expressions die to cut out 2 of these. And I've embossed the second one with the Softly Sophisticated embossing folder that you can also get for free with the Softly Sophisticated stamp set for a $100 order. So this piece I'm just going to place inside and center it. And then the second piece I'm going to place right on top and use dimensionals. Now I'm going to add some of these cutout bits from the dies. The dies have these extra pieces that you can cut out. So I cut out some in Pool Party and Lost Lagoon. First, I'm going to stamp our congratulations on here. So I stamped that upside down just so I could see where I was stamping. And now I have some blends colors that I'm going to use. I'm going to start with the dark. Now I've got these blends colors I'm going to use to kind of color in the flower a little bit. And I'm going to start with the dark, and then I'll do some light, and then I'll do a little bit on the leaves as well. So now I'm gonna glue these on. I'm only putting glue along the stems or the middle because I like the leaves to be free and move around a little bit. So I'm gonna stick the roses on dimensionals first, and then I'm gonna add my congratulations sentiment on here. Now I'm going to add some of these pieces behind. And the last step I have here is just to add some of these gems. And that is my Stippled Roses Z-Fold card. I'm doing a new format for my classes. I'm offering one each of these 3 cards as a card kit. If you place a $35 order using my current host code, you can get this kit for free. The deadline to order for this card kit will be Friday, January 19th at 5 p.m. So if you place your order with my host code for this month, you will get this card kit for free.